Here we are, slowly making progress.
Sure is. Hey Tim?
Yeah.
Lunchtime.
I know, I'm already sitting down.
Oh, chow.
I'm waiting on you guys.
I didn't realize it was lunchtime.
I'm waiting on you guys to get up here.
It's warmed up today too.
It's warmed up quite a bit. There's Bob peeping through. Here we are, slowly making progress.
Hey,
Lunchtime.
I already got my sandwich out.
I was already sitting down way over there. You guys gave up. Here it is, beginning of December, and it's feeling like it's a nice 70-degree day already. You can see what we've already cleared out though. See all the tops of the rhododendrons and everything cut off up there.
At least get knowledgeable enough that we can pass the information along. I think it'd be a good idea.
The Tuesday after hardcore, this will be the trail.
After hardcore, yep. It'd be a heck of a trail. It's kind of hard to see it now. But we're clearing it. Everywhere there's a ribbon, we try to cut all the limbs down and the rhodos back so that eventually we'll be able to be in here and digging out. And the trail will be down here somewhere. You can still see all the ribbons back through there. There looks like 3 of them right there. Alright, my stuff is over there. I got to go get it and have lunch.